You awake? Zim! What are you, sleeping?
Look, I figured something out.
How long was I asleep?
I don't know.
Did you make any progress on the lock?
Oh, the lock? Yeah, no.
So, our only hope of escape is picking the lock. And I can't even trust you to help me out with it. I mean, that's the difference between me and you, Denny. I ain't no quitter. Alright. Well, there's gotta be a way.
Yeah.
If only I could see it from the other side.
Oh, here. Let me help. Oh, yeah. You see that?
How'd you do that?
The handle won't fit.
How'd you do that?
What?
You're outside the cell.
Oh, yeah.
Is there another door?
No, I don't really know how I do it exactly. I just close my eyes and think real hard. And when I open them, I'm somewhere else.
Holy horse farts. Can you think us both out of here?
Yeah, sure can. In fact, we were out this morning.
Awesome. Wait, what do you mean we were out?
Out, while you were sleeping. Oh, we were on this tropical beach. It was so incredible.
Why didn't you? Sorry, never mind. Can you just get us back there?
Yeah, sure can. Wait, did you want to go to the same beach? See, because the water, it wasn't very warm, so I just thought...
get us back there.
Okay.
Why isn't it working?
I cannot concentrate when you're angry like this.
Just think about a beach. How hard is that? Hot sand, waves,
Right.
chicks in bikinis.
Okay. Okay.
A beach. Just think about a beach. Denny? Oh, son of a bitch!